Yeah.
Hey there YouTube. First of all, if you're watching this video, then welcome. My name's Rhys and I run a digital and social media marketing agency. I also do consulting for a number of companies. Now, if you're looking or watching these types of videos, it's most likely because you're interested either in social media marketing, online marketing, how to make money online kind of niche, okay? And if you've seen any of my other videos, then I've just documented really a few of the things that I've been able to experience and also learn along the way in business, okay? Now, I've had no prior experience like growing up or anything around people that have had like major successful businesses, okay? And even going to university, I had no idea. I did not learn anything about real life business from teachers, lecturers, and you know, so it makes it really hard to kind of get started. And if you're in a position that relates to you, you've kind of come across this business model or different business models and you're trying to figure it out, then hopefully I can help you earn your first $500 online, okay? And I want to show you something that you can actually see for yourself as proof, okay? And really show you that it's possible, okay? Now, a lot of people online don't actually show you their results. And I want to make it clear that if you're watching this, it's definitely not easy, okay? It takes a lot of time, pretty much. Let me show you. Just sitting down here at the computer, doing work, and it's really nothing fancy to begin with, okay? But once you're able to pick up the skills that hopefully I'm able to teach you, then you're going to be able to start to pick up clients and contracts that are going to pay you anywhere from $500 to a couple of $1,000s a month for using your knowledge and skills, okay? And this is one payment that just came in that I'd love for you guys to see, okay? So as you can see, approved, so $550 paid. Now that was for a consulting client, and the beautiful thing about this business model is that that is pretty much 100% profit, okay? So unlike some other business models like drop shipping, where you have to pay a lot for ads, that pretty much goes into your back pocket, okay? And these are the skills that I want to show you, okay? I want to teach you, so you're able to go out there and connect local businesses with customers, and those businesses are going to start to pay you that amount of money each month, okay? So if you're interested in turning, you know, and creating, sorry, a $500 or more a month, pretty much passive income stream, then I'd love to show you how to do that, okay? There's links down below, and once again, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, okay? This is going to take a bit of time. It's going to take some learning and, you know, taking action on your half to be able to do it. But that client in particular probably took me about 30 minutes to consult with them and go over a couple of things, and they're happy to pay because it's gonna save them and make their money in the long term. And for myself, having the skills in being able to do that, you pretty much can go out there and kind of make as much as you're willing to put in, okay? Because these are skills that are gonna last and stay with you for a very long time, okay? This is, you know, the internet is still relatively early, and if you're able to get these skills now, you're really going to put yourself in a good position going forward to, you know, get an income that you're trying to achieve or reach, okay? So once again, check out the links below. Feel free to message me, but I just wanted to show you some proof that yes, you can make, you know, that type of money from a number of clients. And that really is a small client, okay? I know You know, there's people out there that are doing $5,000 or $10,000 retainers, and that's definitely attainable for you. But if you're stuck right at the beginning and $500 is a lot of money to you, then please be sure to take some action, get learning, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Take care.